Hello students, third exercise before 6 problems completed. Now 7th question, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4, 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2. Given that 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y. Here observe 1 by x plus y, 1 by x minus y. Here having same denominators means let 1 by x plus y equal to p. Take any one letter like 1 by x minus y equal to q take. In that given two equations, solve this one, substitute this one. 1 by x plus y into 10 means 10 into p. 10p plus 2q equal to 4. This is equation number 1. Next, in that given one, second equation observe here. In the second one, here 15 by x plus y. 1 by x plus y. We can assume that p. 1 by x minus y. Keep q means 5 into q. 5q. Like that. 15p minus 5q equal to minus 2. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, here observe 10p, 15p, here 2q, 5q. Here any one variable how get cancel? Here 2 is there, 5. Opposite number should multiply. Means in that first equation multiply with 5, second equation multiply with 2. Now we get new equations. 5 multiply 5 tens. 50p plus 5 2s 10q equal to 5 4s 4 5s 20. This is equation number 3. From second equation multiply with 2, 15 2s 30p minus 5 2s 10q equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4. This is equation number 4. From 3 and 4 equations solve these two. From 3 and 4 equations add here plus 10q minus 10q get cancelled. 50 30. 80p equal to 20 minus 4 16. Now p equal to 16 by 80. Do cancellation. Here 4 4s, 4 20s, 4 2s 8, 0. Again 4 1s, 4 5s, 16 5s 80. Otherwise like that do 16 1s, 16 5s. 1 by 5. P equal to 1 by 5. In this p value substitute any one equation. Means third equation or first and second equations will get value q. Means from equation number 1. First equation take 10p plus 2q equal to 4. This is equation number 1. Replacing p by 1 by 5. 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2q equal to 4. Here 5 1s, 5 2s. 2 plus 2q equal to 4. 2q equal to 4 minus 2. 2q equal to 2. Q equal to 2 by 2 means 1. Q equal to 1. And finally we want to find x and y variables. Before we taken 1 by x plus y equal to p. 1 by x plus y equal to p. 1 by x plus y, p means 1 by 5. Here do cross multiply here means x plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5. This is take another equation, equation number 5. Same like 1 by x minus y equal to, we taken q. Then substitute key value q equal to 1. 1 by x minus y equal to 1. X minus y equal to 1. This is equation number 6. From equation 5 and 6. 5 and 6. x plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 1. Now solve these two. Here plus y minus y get cancelled 0. X plus x 2x equal to 5 plus 1 6. Add this one. These two equations add. Here plus y minus y get cancelled. X plus x 2x equal to 5 plus 1 6. X equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. X equal to 3. In this x value substitute fifth equation or sixth equation from equation number 5. From equation number 5, x plus y equal to 5. Replacing x by 3. 3 plus y equal to 5. Y equal to 5 minus 3. Y equal to 2. Therefore, we get x and y values. X comma y equal to 3 comma 2. See this 8th question. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. Given equations 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. And second one 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. From that, here observe common 1 by 3x plus y. Here also 1 by 3x plus y. Here 1 by 3x minus y, 1 by 3x minus y. Means let 1 by 3x plus y equal to take p. And second one 1 by 3x minus y equal to q take. In that replacing these values in given equations means first one 1 by 3x plus y means p plus q equal to 3 by 4. This is another new equation. P plus q equal to 3 by 4. This is equation number 1. And given second equation also substitute these values. Here 1 by 3x plus y replacing by p means 1 by 2p minus 1 by 2q. 1 by nothing but here p. The total p means p by 2 plus here minus q by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. Here replacing these values 1 by 3x plus y. 1 by 3x plus y means p. Means here 2 is the denominator. Means p by 2 minus q by 2. P by 2 minus q by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. This is another equation number 2. Here in this first one p plus q equal to 3 by 4. Now here 2 having same denominator. Here 2 is common denominator. For that p minus q equal to here 2 LCM 2 standard side minus 1 by 8. Here denominator is there, standard side. It will change it to multiply. 2. 2 ones, 2 fours. Means finally here minus 1 by 4. Here understand. Here p by 2 minus q by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. Here minus keep like that only. Here having same denominator. Means p minus q by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. These two send that side. P minus q equal to minus 1 by 8 into 2. Here into 2 for that second equation. Minus 1 by 4. This given equations. This is take third equation. This is fourth equation. Means p minus q equal to minus 1 by 4. This is fourth equation. P plus q equal to 3 by 4. Third equation. From third and fourth equations, from 3 and 4 equations, solve that p plus q equal to 3 by 4. P minus q equal to minus 1 by 4. Here plus q minus q get cancelled. P plus p, 2p equal to 3 by 4. Here plus of minus 1 by 4. Here plus of minus means plus into minus minus. 2p equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 2p equal to 3 minus 1 by 4. Here 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 by 4. 2p equal to 2 by 4. Again here 2 ones to 2 twos means 2p equal to 1 by 2. P equal to, here product is there, and that's why it will change it to divide. Means 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. This is P value. In this P value, substitute first equation or third and fourth equations, any one equation. Third equation. From third equation, P plus Q equal to 3 by 4. Replacing P by 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus Q equal to 3 by 4. Q equal to 3 by 4. This 1 by 4 send that side, minus 1 by 4. Now 3 minus 1 by 4, here 4 LCM. 3 minus 1 2, 2 by 4. Q equal to 2 by 4, nothing but 1 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos, 1 by 2. Now P and Q values we get. Here again we want to find X values. Before taken 1 by 3x plus y equal to P. Replacing P by 1 by 4. Means 1 by 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4. Here do cross multiply. Now 3x plus y equal to 4. 3x plus y equal to 4. This is, take any another equation before 4 equations completed. Now fifth equation. Like that, another one, 1 by 3x minus y equal to q. 1 by 3x minus y equal to q. Replacing q by 1 by 2. 1 by 3x minus y equal to 1 by 2. Do cross multiply here. 3x minus y equal to 2. This is equation number 6th. From equation number 5 and 6, solve the two equations. From equation number 5 and 6, 3x plus y equal to 4, 3x minus y equal to 2. In these two equations, here plus y minus y get cancelled. Add these two equations, 3x, 3x. 6x equal to plus y minus y get cancelled. 4 plus 2, 6. X equal to 6 by 6 equal to 1. X equal to we get 1. In this x value, substitute any one equation, means given 6th equation or 5th equation, 5th or 6th. Take from equation number 5, 3x plus y equal to 4, replacing x by 1, 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4, 3 ones 3, y equal to 4 minus 3, here plus 3 send that side, minus 3, y equal to 4 minus 3 means 1. Therefore, we get x and y values, x, y equal to 1, 1.